Hello, if you want to connect the Redmi Watch 5 Lite into your iPhone, first of all, you will have to start by opening App Store and you will have to download this application. This is the Mi Fitness application from Xiaomi and it's completely free. You will have to get it on your iPhone. When you do this, you can just keep downloading and grab your watch. You will have to select your language, and now you will have to move back into your phone, go into the settings, open Bluetooth, and you have to be sure that you simply turn on Bluetooth on your device. Next, you will have to open Mi Fitness application, click allow, accept basically all of these permissions and click start. Now grant this user agreement permission and click agree. Right here you will have to select your region, so you can go and input it manually. There we go. And if it is sometimes not working, I can recommend you to, if you cannot connect this device into your iPhone, select this one, the India region or China. So try these two regions if it is not working for you. In my case, actually everything is fine, so I can go for Poland. Now I have to go for device and click on the scanner, and now as you can see we have to sign in with the Xiaomi account. So if you don't have Xiaomi account, you can actually create it right now, or you can also create by using short messages. So this is actually your choice. Okay, and when you already log in with your Xiaomi account, you will have to select this notifications and basically accept everything, turn on location. So in the most cases you will be automatically redirected. You can also turn on this synchronization between Mi Fitness application and your watch and click to add device. Now your watch will be visible on the list, so you can tap on it and click OK. Right now we are redirected into settings and we have to select the Redmi Watch 5 Lite from other devices list. It appears just right here. So tap on it. Now we have the pairing request, so we have to accept this on our watch and on our iPhone. And now go back into the Mi Fitness application and select Redmi Watch 5 Lite another time. And here we have to accept another permission, the pairing request actually. There we go. Now we just have to wait a little bit until we will be successfully connected. And as you can see right now, we are here. Now we can go back from this one, and as you can see we are successfully connected. So that will be all. That's how you can actually connect your Redmi Watch 5 Lite into your iPhone, and thanks for watching.